What's going on, guys? Were you ever curious about what a reservist drill weekend is like? Well, today I want to give you an inside look at what a typical Army Reserve drill weekend looks like. So, once a month we come together for 2 days, sometimes maybe three. My unit is a legal unit, kind of like a few good men, which means we have Army JAG officers and enlisted paralegals, but the general structure of a drill weekend is pretty similar across the Army Reserves. A typical weekend starts bright and early, about 6:30 a.m. on Saturdays. If you're local, if you're traveling to drill, you'll usually check into a hotel the night before. First thing in the morning, we have PT or physical training. That could be a run, organized activities, or a PT test. PT usually lasts about an hour and a half. After PT, there's some personal time where you shower, you get dressed, grab some breakfast, and get ready for the day. Our official report time is usually around 9 a.m. when we have a briefing to go over the day's schedule and assignments. For my legal unit, that means reviewing cases, determining courses of action, and completing any other mission-critical tasks. We work until around noon, and then we take an hour for lunch. Enlisted soldiers usually get lunch provided to them, and officers are responsible on their own. After lunch, we get back to work. This includes additional duties, trainings, and seeing clients, or sometimes completing online trainings. Reservists have to keep track of their metrics, basically making sure you're meeting all your requirements and standards so you stay eligible for deployments. That's really important, since we only have a limited number of days each month to get these tasks completed. The duty date usually ends around 4:30 or 5 p.m., and that's when we have our final formation. The commander will brief the unit on what went well, what could be improved, and what's expected for the next day. After that, if you're local, you head home. If you're traveled a long distance, you'll stay in a hotel. You'll get per diem and meals and travel provided to you. Some units also do social activities at the end of the duty day. We call this mandatory fun. It's a chance to relax, take off the uniform, and build connections with your teammates. Sunday is basically the same thing as Saturday. Same report time, same schedule, same duties. And at the end of the weekend, we wrap up and head home until the next drill, usually the next month. So that's a typical Army Reserve drill weekend. Early mornings, PT, work trainings, and a lot of teamwork. It's a unique balance of military and civilian life, and it keeps us ready to serve when called upon. So if you're thinking about joining the reserves or just curious about what we do on drill weekends, leave your questions. Leave your questions in the comments. I'd love to answer them and give you more insight on what Army Reserve life is all about. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you and your families.